Hi guys, I'm Ritu. I'm a content creator and I'm a stay at home mom, and this is a day in my life. So I wake up at around 8 a.m. with the sun literally pouring in through the door. But I don't like waking up early on the rare occasions that I wake up before my daughter. First thing in the morning, I like to have my coffee. I love having a hot cappuccino in the morning, and I enjoy the days where I get to have coffee piping hot. In the morning rush of the routine and school days, I actually forget my coffee, and that gives me a terrible migraine because I'm a coffee addict. Since my child has actually learned sleeping in, I don't like waking them before they actually wake up, because if you have a kid, you know, if you forcefully wake them, they wake up grumpy. And here I'm just soaking the sun with my plants. I like to wake up and scroll on my phone undisturbed, so I enjoy doing that in the morning. And then I go and look in my planner to see what I've planned for the day, because if I leave this for when I actually get to my working time slot, I tend to get uh, over anxious or panic about doing things. So if I know what I have to do, it helps me, keeps me on track for that task. And so I've just learned planning this year, so I'm trying to build a habit of doing it. And then for the rest of the morning, I had to skip filming because I didn't have enough time to film. And so yeah, here I'm just rushing off to the school drop off, and then I'm going to get my nails done. I love getting my nails done, and I especially get my nails done if I have some collaborations coming up that looks really nice in the videos. I'm currently on a nail break because my nails are quite damaged from getting them done regularly for more than a year, I think now. It's fun looking back at my pretty nails. Having long nails with a kid is, I don't know, I can't do it. I love getting them done at the Bombay Nail Company. Actually, they have some really nice artists who can do fine nail work, which I love. I love nail art, I'm obsessed. And these were too long for me, I had to cut them down in a week. If you really want your nails to last, try using a glove for all water related tasks, because if you get too much moisture in your nails, they are not going to last as well, and it might end up causing a bacterial or fungal infection in your nails. And then I think was short on time this morning, so I'm just finishing up the tasks which I had left incomplete in the morning. I think we ran out of milk and oil and something, giving the baby a snack after she's woken up from her afternoon nap. And then I'm going to finish some tasks and prep for her dinner. She eats early. I try to cook for my daughter on the days when I know she's hungry sooner. Otherwise, we have a cook, which is a great help. Help with the cooking and cleaning, because when I'm spending time with my child, at the back of my mind, there's always something tasked which is incomplete. So when I have some help, that gives me more time to spend. To give my child more undivided attention, which little kids need at this stage. So yeah, but I am also a clean freak, and I love organizing, and I love keeping surfaces clean, which is so difficult with the toddler. But I'm getting back into a routine. then another important thing for a child is outdoor play. So I try to spend time, like I try to take her to the park every day where we play for an hour or two. When she goes to school, that is the golden time for me to get my things done. This is how my morning begins. Have your coffee and then make breakfast for the baby and try to keep her engaged and prevent a meltdown, because toddlers be toddling. They are so difficult on some days and so easy on some days. Like whiplash is real. So we have pancakes on the day where I don't know what to make when I don't want to use a lot of my thinking power. So choco chip pancakes are amazing for those days. For a toddler, morning routine is so important. So what we do is wake up, make breakfast together, eat breakfast together, do the bath time. Then she likes to watch some songs on the TV, and then we play together. I get her ready for the day. We spend some time together, and if I have the time, I complete my chores. On the days I don't, I complete it when she naps in the afternoon, and then I drop her off to school, and then I do my work. So right now she's watching something on the TV, so I'm doing my skincare and my hair care. If non-moms can understand it, but like getting the time to even do your skincare is so, like, used to be so rare when the kids are like, when in the newborn stage, in the baby stage, it's so hard to even get time to wash your face. So yeah, I since I'm alone here, I have to spend the whole day with her. I let her watch some TV because like I also need some time to do some self-care. So yeah, I'm trying to grow my hair, so I love using this leave-in. It's on Tira, and this Redken cream is also nice, but it's not as amazing. I love using the K18 hair mask. That has really helped with my split ends, and my hair is very curly, and I like to have styled hair for filming. So this is the time when I style my hair. Usually I try to do this on Monday so that it can last me 3-4 days. And I use my Dyson Airwrap. Now that my hair is long again, I can use the Airwrap more efficiently. I found it a bit difficult on when my hair used to be short, because like the curl wouldn't sit right. So these are the steps in my filming prep. Get your hair done, then like I feel like when the hair is not looking nice, the makeup also doesn't look nice. I don't know, it's a psychological thing maybe, but all of this prep that I do, I have to do it before I leave her at the daycare, because after daycare it's like go time. I have exact 2 hours to finish everything, filming, pre-transition, everything. Like those 2 hours 5 days a week, I need to make the most out of this. And sometimes I wonder, what was I doing with the time when I did not have a child? I could have filmed all day if I wanted. I don't know what I was doing, lazing around maybe. गाना तो बाय करके आई थी ना, इसलिए गाना बाय हो गया. ध्यान से. Off to school we go, and then not look like that, but I'm literally rushing to get everything set up. I wish I could have a permanent setup where I could just come in, sit down, and start filming. But the thing about filming is that changing is necessary, and I also, with the small baby and all of these lights, these can't be in the way. Children tend to like fall a lot, and like they like to climb things, and yeah, so I have to keep them away and bring them back in every day, and they cannot be in the way. This 10 minutes, I think. But yeah, psychologically I don't know, it feels like such a task to me. And then I do the lighting check and the pre-transition if I am making a transition reel or something, and then I get to work. I like do the makeup and everything, and enjoy some time alone peacefully, which is also very important if you're a mom, because like the overstimulation is real. And yeah, this is what my day looks like. So I'll have the same day again tomorrow, and in this slot I will edit the video. So that is why I'm a bit slow with my content creation. Being consistent is not the easiest right now, but I think I'm more efficient than I was before. Being a mom has made me much more efficient. Guys, so I'm finished with my makeup, and I have to go pick my daughter from the daycare, and this is the end of the vlog. Bye. Hope you guys like watching it if I ever end up posting it. Yeah, bye.